Hi. Everywhere I look, people are talking about Docker and containers. Whether it's cloud computing, DevOps, or application deployment, Docker seems to be everywhere. What makes it so important?
That's a great question, and one of the reasons this course was created. Welcome to working with containers using Docker. Docker has transformed the way modern applications are built, deployed, and managed. It enables developers to package applications and their dependencies into portable containers that run consistently across different environments. Whether you're deploying applications on your local machine or in the cloud, Docker helps simplify the entire process.
So this course is about learning how to build and manage applications using Docker?
Exactly. We'll start with the fundamentals and gradually build up to real-world deployment scenarios, giving you both the knowledge and the practical skills needed to work confidently with Docker.
What can I expect to learn throughout the course?
You'll begin by understanding Docker and containerization, then learn how to build Docker images and work with Docker Hub. From there, we'll move on to containerizing applications, managing multi-container environments with Docker Compose, configuring Docker networking, implementing security best practices, and finally, orchestrating applications using Docker Swarm. Each lesson builds on the previous one, so by the end of the course, you'll understand how all these technologies work together.
So it's not just theory, it's a complete learning journey.
Exactly.
Will there be practical demonstrations as well?
Absolutely. Every lesson is followed by a guided demonstration where you'll see the concepts applied in a real-world e-commerce application. Together, we'll set up Docker and create images, containerize backend services, deploy multi-container applications with Docker Compose, configure Docker networking and an Nginx reverse proxy, secure Docker images using Trivy, publish images to Docker Hub, deploy the application to AWS EC2, verify the complete deployment in a web browser. These demonstrations are designed to reinforce the concepts you've learned and show how they're used in real projects.
That sounds like a great way to connect the theory with hands-on experience. Who is this course designed for?
This course is ideal for cloud administrators, DevOps engineers, DevOps developers, cloud engineers, cloud architects, and anyone looking to build a strong foundation in Docker. A basic understanding of cloud concepts and familiarity with Linux commands will help you get the most out of this course.
How is the course structured?
The course is divided into 6 progressive lessons: Introduction to Docker and Containerization, Containerizing Applications, Working with Docker Compose, Docker Networking, Docker Security, Docker Swarm. Each lesson introduces new concepts that naturally build upon what you've already learned, making it easy to progress from the basics to advanced deployment techniques.
I like the course roadmap, but will I also get hands-on experience or is it mainly theory?
Definitely hands-on. Every lesson is followed by a guided demonstration where you'll see the concepts applied step by step using a real-world e-commerce application. You'll begin by setting up Docker and creating your first image. Then you'll move on to containerizing applications, deploying multi-container solutions with Docker Compose, configuring networking and reverse proxies, securing images with Trivy, publishing images to Docker Hub, and finally deploying the application to AWS. Each demonstration is designed to reinforce the concepts you've just learned and show how they're applied in real-world scenarios.
That sounds like a great way to learn. Watching each concept come to life will definitely make it easier to understand.
Exactly. By combining concepts with guided demonstrations, you'll build both confidence and practical experience as you progress through the course. Before we begin, let's quickly recap what this course has to offer. Throughout this course, you'll learn the fundamentals of Docker and containerization, build and manage Docker images, work with Docker Compose for multi-container applications, configure Docker networking and apply security best practices, explore Docker Swarm and container orchestration, reinforce every lesson through guided hands-on demonstrations based on a real-world e-commerce application.
So by the end of the course, I'll not only understand the concepts, but also know how to apply them in practical scenarios.
Exactly. Whether you're a cloud administrator, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, or someone beginning your containerization journey, this course will provide you with the knowledge and practical skills to confidently build, secure, deploy, and manage Docker-based applications. We're excited to have you with us. Let's get started with Lesson 1, Introduction to Docker and Containerization.